1 over a is equal to 1 over b plus 1 over c. Find b in terms of a and c. First, let's simplify the right side so that's only one fraction. We have 1 over b plus 1 over c. First, we're going to need a common denominator, which is going to be b times c, bc, bc. And for 1 over b, we would have to multiply the denominator by c to get a denominator of bc. So whatever we do to the denominator, we're going to also have to do to the numerator. So the numerator is going to be 1 times c, which is c. Same thing for 1 over c. We would have to multiply the denominator by b to get bc. So we also have to multiply the numerator by b, which is going to be b. And now that simplifies to b plus c over bc. So our new equation is going to be 1 over a is equal to b plus c over bc. And the question is asking for b, so we just have to isolate b. I'm going to cross multiply because this is basically a proportion. It's going to be 1 times bc is equal to a times b plus c. And then that simplifies to bc is equal to, so I distribute this. A times b is ab, and then a times c is ac. And then I want all of the b variables on one side of the equation, so I'm going to subtract ab on both sides. That's going to give me bc minus ab is equal to ac. And then now I'm going to factor out b, which is going to give me b times c minus a is equal to ac. And finally, the last step is to divide both sides by c minus a because we want b alone. And that is going to be our answer. B is equal to ac over c minus a. And so the answer is going to be A.